Good morning, Pipou. Pipou, viens. Oh, wow. So, we got here last night. We're in Palo Duro. We're in this really cute Airbnb. I'm gonna give you a little tour. I'm also going to show you this beautiful view. Look at this.
The rustic luxury camp in Palo Duro is hands down the most unique spot to stay in the area. Perched on the edge of the second largest canyon in the United States, this retreat offers 6 luxury cabins with breathtaking views you won't find anywhere else. Just imagine waking up to golden sunrises over the canyon and ending your day under a blanket of stars, all from the comfort of a modern, cozy space designed with relaxation in mind.
This is absolutely gorgeous. We're right on a cliff. Hein, Pipou? Ça va, mon Pipou? Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Each cabin sleeps up to 4 and is thoughtfully designed for comfort and convenience. There's a fully equipped kitchen, 2 queen beds with the most comfortable mattress and soft linens I've ever slept on, a bathroom with a washer and dryer, and my favorite part, the loft. The loft's big windows open up to the stunning canyon views, making it the best spot to stargaze at night. If you're visiting Palo Duro, chances are you love spending time outdoors. These cabins are just minutes away from the state park where you can go explore breathtaking canyon views. Since we only had one full day here, we woke up bright and early to make the most of it.
Tu es prêt à aller en aventure, mon vieux boudin?
We started our day at the Sad Monkey Mercantile, the cutest dog-friendly shop just down the road from the cabins. They serve great coffee, some pastries, and even some unique souvenirs. It was the perfect spot to relax and fuel up before heading out to explore the canyons. Another awesome feature about this place is they have a designated fenced-in dog park, so your pup can run off leash while you relax.
Allez, Pipou, monte! C'est bien, mon Pipou!
Palo Duro Canyon State Park, known as the Grand Canyon of Texas, is less than 5 minutes away from the cabin, making it super easy to explore. The park spans over 25,000 acres and offers more than 30 miles of trails for hiking, biking, or horseback riding. The daily fee is just $8 per person, and the park is open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. We spent the day hiking, starting with the Pioneer Nature Trail, which is a super easy hike that's perfect for warming up before the heat of the day. Since we were traveling with the toddler, we decided it wasn't a good idea to hike in the middle of the day. So we decided to go back to the cabin, take a little nap, and spend some time with our friends. Later in the afternoon, we headed back to the park to start the Lighthouse Trail. This is one of Palo Duro Canyon's most iconic hikes, and it's easy to see why. It's a 5.8-mile round trip that takes you through the stunning canyon landscapes. This trail is moderately challenging, but the views along the way make it totally worth it.
Oui, pas toujours.
It's so important to bring plenty of water, not just for you, but for your dog too. We made sure to keep ourselves and our pup hydrated along the way, especially since the Texas sun can be pretty intense. As we hiked, we saw vibrant red rock formations, wide open vistas, and actually quite a few wildlife. And when we reached the lighthouse, we were rewarded with the most breathtaking panoramic views of the canyon below, as well as the most beautiful sunset.
Ça va mon bibou? Viens pas du tout ici. Tu viens, Biboudin?
Try to keep in mind that a good sunset hike almost always means hiking back in the dark, so pack a flashlight or a headlamp to stay safe. The next morning, before heading home, we made a stop at the famous Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. This iconic roadside attraction features 10 vintage Cadillacs buried nose first in the ground. They're all covered in layers of colorful graffiti, and visitors are actually encouraged to bring their own spray paint and leave their mark.
Avec Bibou. Allez.
As you can tell, it was extremely windy, so we didn't stay very long. We let Stilton and our little toddler run around and get those zoomies out before hitting the road again. On the way, we stopped for some donuts and drove a couple more hours before making it to another pit stop at the Caprock Canyon State Park. This park is known for its free-roaming bison, and we got really lucky and saw several up close. It was a really incredible experience to watch these majestic animals in their natural habitat while surrounded by stunning red rock formations of the park. It was the perfect way to wrap up our trip. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more dog-friendly travel tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you along for our next journey. See you in the next video.